Welcome to the EFS survey tutorial for beginners. This video series will show you the way to a finished survey project in 8 steps. This video covers step 6, monitoring the progress of the field phase. You can see the first results of your project in the field statistics before the end of the field phase. By monitoring the progress, you can, for example, recruit more participants if participation is too low. You can access the statistics in the survey menu. We will now show you the 3 main areas: field report, online statistics, and open-ended answers. Let's take a look at the field report. The field report informs you about the essential participation parameters of your study. To look deeper into the data, just mark a specific period with your cursor and zoom into the data. With one click, you get back to the overview. You can also limit the display of the field report and only show the completed interviews. Simply deselect the other status groups. More limitations can be made in the configuration of the field report. The field report contains statistical information in table form by a gross and net sample. The net sample contains the completed interviews as well as participants who are active at the moment or who have interrupted the survey. You also find the access statistics here, for example the access by time of day, the access per day, and the number of participants per week. In addition, you can see the dropout statistic. The statistic shows which page was seen last by the participants. If the dropout rate is too high, you can react by making a change to the questionnaire dramaturgy, for example. The online statistics gives you an overview of the survey data so far collected during the field phase. To see the first results of your survey, you must first indicate for which data the statistics should be created for. You can choose whether you want to see the results of a certain question or whether you want to see all of the survey results. If you select the field Show Variable Names and Types, the online statistics will also display the names of variables, the question types, and labels. Click on Continue. The following information is now shown for the questions selected: the number of persons who selected a specific answer option, the percentage of respondents as a number and a bar chart, and the total number of persons who answered a question. In the menu Open-ended Answers, you can find the answers received to open-ended questions. In case you asked an open-ended question in your survey, here you can view the answers. The configuration is analog to the configuration of the online statistics. During the field phase, you can view, edit, and delete individual data records. The detail view is protected by special rights. That means that the information and functions contained there are not automatically available to every user. If you wish to receive more information about this right, have a look in our manual or get in touch with your Quest by contact partner. To view the result data of a participant, select the Show Details icon in the overview. The result data can be edited by clicking on the Edit icon. With the help of Delete Data Records Completely in the drop-down list, you can completely delete single or several datasets of participants. For personalized surveys, not only the field and result data, but also the data and the participant administration will be completely removed. Please note that deleted data records cannot be restored. Result data of specific questions can also be edited selectively. If you want to completely delete the values of certain variables for all participants in the data records, you can do so in the menu Delete Data. This function is protected by an individual right for security reasons, and only those users with the appropriate rights are allowed to see this menu item. After the field phase of the survey has ended, the next step is the evaluation of the survey project. Learn more about the export of a project in the next step. Good luck with your project!